If you've ever opened itch.io and wondered how to actually run a game from the site, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to run itch.io games step by step, whether the game plays right in your browser or needs to be downloaded first. This is a super easy process once you know what to look for, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to launch your game without confusion. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software and gaming tutorials. Let's jump in. First, go to itch.io in your browser. Once you're there, use the search bar or browse the site to find the game you want to play. Open the games page, and the very first thing you want to check is whether the game is labeled as browser-based or downloadable. This is important because the steps are different depending on the type of game. If the game is a browser game, you'll usually see a button that says Run Game. In that case, all you need to do is click Run Game. Wait a moment for it to load, and then play directly inside your browser. This is the fastest and easiest option because there's no downloading or installing required. Just make sure your browser allows the game to load properly, and if the game does not start right away, give it a few seconds to fully initialize. Now, if the game is downloadable, the process is a little different, but still very straightforward. On the game page, click the Download button. After that, choose the file that matches your device or operating system if multiple options are available. The file will begin downloading to your computer. Once the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder and locate the file. If the game is in a zip file, you'll need to extract it first. On Windows, you can usually right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. After extracting, open the folder that was created. Inside, look for the game executable, which is often a .exe file on Windows. Double-click that file to launch the game. If the game opens successfully, you're ready to play. If you don't see an exe file right away, look for a README file or any instructions included by the developer, because some itch.io games may have slightly different setup steps. In some cases, you may need special software depending on the game format, but most downloadable games will clearly tell you what to do on the page. One more helpful tip: always check the game page for system requirements, controls, or extra notes from the creator. That can save you time if the game needs a certain version of Windows, a specific runtime, or browser permissions. If a browser game doesn't load, refreshing the page or trying a different browser can also help. And that's it. Running itch.io games is really just about identifying whether the game is browser-based or downloadable, then following the right path from there. Browser games let you play instantly, and downloadable games just need a quick download, extract, and launch. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your game.